Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agung Priwendra and I'm from HISD class. Right? The country is that implementing the halal tourist system is England. Britain has made a number of changes and innovation for Muslim tourists. The effort made is a large. The visit my Moscow activity. Many British Moscows are undergoing renovation and expansion, and you can also find halal certified restaurant in every corner of the city. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rini Mayasaro Siregar, major Sharia Economic Law. Halal Sharia tourist attraction in West Sumatra, Indonesia. West Sumatra province, which is famous for its halal culinary, trips to foreign countries such as rendang, as well as several halal tourist destinations that present the beauty of the extraordinary, exotic panorama of Andalus Earth. In addition, this area has always had a fairly high level of tourist visits. Besides that, West Sumatra tourist attraction at unique as distinctive characteristic of the fine lives of the local community. Tourists every visitors who is present in this area. There is no doubt we is the mother of the community, which is maintained and preserved. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah Ramadhani. I'm a student of Sharia Economic Law Class D Semester 3. Now I will give information about halal tourism in South Korea. Halal tourism promotion strategies in South Korea have also been carried out indirectly through film and drama movie. In some brief scenes in the film or drama, it shows the figure of a Muslim woman who wears the hijab and veil. Through shows like this, South Korea seems to explain that South Koreans accept the presence of Muslims. With the existence of this halal tourism system, South Korea has begun to gradually provide halal certified restaurant and place of worship. Maybe just this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Yona Octaviana. In this video, I want to talking about one of the countries that has a halal tourism. One of the country that has a halal tourism, champagne, is South Korea, or more specially the Jeju Island. The Korea Tourism Organization, or KTO, introduced a new campaign, the Little Muslim-Friendly Korea, as an effort to attract Indonesian tourists. Please note that the Korean Muslim Federation issues for halal labels or certificate for several public facilities, including restaurants and hotels. The first label certificate is for Muslim-friendly restaurant and public facilities. Furthermore, self-certificate or SWA certification means that the restaurant owner is a Muslim who sells halal food and drinks. Meanwhile, Muslim-friendly means a restaurant that sells food and drink with a small amount of the alcohol content, such as beer. Finally, that is pork-free, which is restaurant and or specialty shop for meat that does not contain pork. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ranolia. I am from Sharia Economic Law Class D. I will explain about halal tourists that has been set by the Turkey state. For a long time, Turkey's reputation as a country with halal tourists has been questionable. In fact, this country credit its service standards specifically for Muslim. This standard is called the Turkey Standard Instruction. Every hotel that went to get halal certification must comply with a number of rules and standards set on the condition that it provides Islamic facilities and negatives with prohibited in Islam. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kayla Trizahara. Want to explain about halal tourists in Turkey. Some visitors are interested in the beautiful natural scenery in Turkey, and also the reason for Sharia hotel facilities and halal destinations in Turkey. Turkey offers nature, tourists, mosque buildings, and much more. That's a little about halal tourists in Turkey. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulan Fitriani. I am class 3 Islamic Economy Law. I will explain about Kosher tourism. The state implement Kosher tourism are Saudi Arabia. This of Kosher tourism Tere is doing the pilgrimage as Ihram, going around the Kaabah 7 times between Safa and Marwa. Hal throwing Jumrah, spending the night in Mina, spending the night at Musdalifah, visit Madinah. Thank you so much, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Windy Ilanda. I am a student of Sharia Economic Law. Okay, here I will tell you a little about countries that implement halal tourism. One of the countries that implement halal tourism, namely Turkey. Turkey is a natural tourist destination for Muslim tourists. As a Muslim majority country, Turkey has long averaged Sharia-based tourist facilities, starting from hotels complete with religious facilities to entertainment and halal food and drinks. As a global tourist destination, Turkey offers natural tourist attractions. There are also old cities, historical mosque building, and many other excellent destinations that are sought after by Muslim tourists from all over the world. That's a little story for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Nurasana from Sharia Economic Law Class D. Turkey is one of the world's halal destinations. Turkey is also a natural tourist destination for Muslim tourists. As a Muslim majority country, Turkey's tourist prestige offers Sharia-based tourist facility, starting from hotel complete with registration facility to entertainment and halal food and drink. Some visit for reason of exciting Sharia hotel facilities and halal destination in Turkey. And there are also all city sites, historical, valuably Moscow, building, and many other excellent destinations that are sought after by Muslim tourists from all over the world. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitria Nur Fadila. Halal tourism is a tourist concept that considers the basic values of Muslim in its presentation, ranging from accommodation, restaurant, to tourist activities that always refer to Islamic norms. One example is West Sumatra province, which is famous for its halal culinary trades to foreign countries such as rendang, and also several halal tourist destinations that present the beauty of the extraordinary panorama of Andalas Air. Accommodation and many comfortable and beautiful places are certainly for tourists in West Sumatra. One of its attractions is the Great Mosque of West Sumatra, the clock tower, and delicious halal culinary, and other. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Peace be upon you and Allah mercy and blessing. I am Hersi Mizra. Want to explain about halal tourism in Turkey. Some visitors are interested in the beautiful natural scenery in Turkey and also the reason for Sharia hotel facilities and halal destination in Turkey. Turkey offers natural tourism, mosque, building, and much more. That's a little about halal tourism in Turkey. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, I am here to explain my experience work for a country that has implemented halal tourism for a long time. Turkey's reputation as a country with halal tourism has been unquestionably in fact, this country created a service standard specifically for Muslims. This standard is called the Turkish Standards Institution. Every hotel then waits to get halal certification must comply with a number of rules and standard set. Thank you, Shir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Novia Savitri and now I will explain about what countries have implemented halal tourism and what are the practice of halal tourism in that country. One of the countries that implements halal tourism is Turkey. This Turkish halal tourism program is usually offered various types of packages with a different number of days. Of course, all these packages have different costs. The cost of these one-time trip ranges from 50 million to 25 million, depending on the facility and destinations to be visited. In general, tour packages are offered for 10 days of travel. We can visit various tourist destinations during this tour. Turkish halal tourism is also often offered to a Turkish Muslim tourism. Okay guys, that's just a little explanation from me. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Hayanti, Department of Sharia Economic Law here. I will stream in Malaysia. Malaysia being a Muslim majority country, Malaysia is ranked first as the main tourist destination for Muslims. Malaysia is the world with halal destination that profit halal contracting. Usually people stop by to Malaysia while performing Umrah of Haji. A halal destination is different from a religious destination. If it's religious like Mecca and Medina, there are of the tomb of the purpose. If it is halal, it means that halal food is available. Flesh of more cheap on other land, not just selling halal carpet, but also it is natural and cultural extension.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bella Sapitri. Okay, reporting from Al Jazeera, Rimersa Faki as a new researcher from Dinner Standard, state Turkey is one of the countries that has established halal tourism for Muslim tourists. As a Muslim majority country, Turkey has long offered Sharia-based tourism facility, starting from hotel complete with religious facility to entertainment and halal food and drink. As a global tourist destination, Turkey offers natural tourist spots. There are also old city sites, mosque buildings of historical value, and many more excellent destinations that are sought after by Muslim tourists from all over the world. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Harun Al-Rashid. I will explain one of the countries that implements halal tourism. Malaysia managed to rank first in the Mastercard Crescent Rate Global Muslim Travel Index and GMTI 2017. This is because Malaysian activities developing culinary, tourist, shopping for medicine, and halal hotel. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The World Muslim Traveling Rating Aggregates Mastercard rating has released the result of the Global Muslim Traveling Index from 2018. The result of Malaysia in row for 8 years again. Some of the prohibitions in piracy in Malaysia are as follows. Drinking alcohol, wearing mini clothes, baking in the sun with minimal clothing, and not serving food. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rani Dwi Lestari. As a global tourist destination, Turkey offers natural tourist attraction. There are old city sites, historically valuable mosque buildings, and many others excellent destinations that are sought after by Muslim tourists from all over the world. Other visit from region of Islamic hotel facilities and halal destination in Turkey. Report from Al Jazeera, Rim El Shafaki, a senior researcher from Dinner Standard, said Turkey is a natural tourist destination for Muslim tourists. As a Muslim majority country, Turkey has long offered Sharia-based tourist facilities, starting from hotels complete with religious facilities to entertainment, and halal food and drinks.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fauji. Wisata Turkey is the number one cause of this nation because it are Muslim. Friendly facilities similar to Indonesia. Most of the Turkish people are Muslim. The ability of education plays a force such as Moscow or Rome. And Granted of halal culinary on flyer time Irish. For example, group of tourists will be directed to Moscow is country. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alice Mutia. I am from the Islamic Economic Law Department, Class D. One of the countries that have implemented halal tourism is Japan. The Muslim community in Japan is minority, so many needs of the Muslim community are not found, such as food in any part of the world. Food is the most important thing for human life, but for a Muslim, eating something must be according to religious rules. A Muslim must eating halal food. Japan's Muslim prefer to cook at home or eat in a restaurant and order seafood or vegetarian menus. When shopping, Japan's Muslim resident will ensure that the ingredients list on Japan's and consumption by calling a customer service center of the factory because of halal. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce my name is Julia Liana. I'm from Class D Economic Law. Here I will explain about description halal tourism. Okay. Halal tourism is a part of tourism that is given to Muslim families based on Islamic rules. Hotels in such destination do not service alcohol and have separate swimming pools and SPA facilities for men and women. Malaysia, Turkey, and several other countries are trying to service the tourists from all parts of the world by offering facilities that are in the line with the religious belief of Muslim travelers. That's all for me. Thank you and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sabtu Adi Mantasin Alpani. I am a student of Sharia Economic Law. Okay, here I will tell you a little about countries that implement halal tourism. One of the countries that implements halal tourism, namely Turkey. Turkey is a natural tourist destination for Muslim tourists. As a Muslim majority country, Turkey has long offered Sharia-based tourist facilities, starting from hotel complete with religious facilities to entertainment and halal food and drinks. As a global tourist destination, Turkey offers natural tourist attractions. There are also city sites, historical Moscow boarding, and many other excellent destinations. They are sought after by Muslim tourists from all over the world. That a little story for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luciani from Class D, majoring Sharia Economic Law. Well, here I will explain halal tourism in Turkey. Turkey, as a Muslim tourist destination, has many unique and historic places. Muslim tourists often visit in the context of Umrah plus Turkey trips, but not a few also visit it directly. Turkey has many beautiful mosques, places, and museums that are hundreds of years old. Turkish cuisine is also halal and tastes under the tongue of the world community, including Indonesia. Most Turkish dishes are made from mutton or lamb, such as kebabs, but some use grains and fruits. Then Turkey is one of the best halal tourism options. So much explanation from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salmia. I'm from Sharia Economic Law Class D. Sharia tourist place on Santen Island, Banyuwangi. It's Java. Santen Island is one of the new tourist that is become the mainstay of Banyuwangi, which a Sharia concept. Sharia tourist attraction on the island of Santen are located in Karangrejo, Banyuwangi, Banyuwangi Regency, it's Java. On this big, there are several facilities that can be enjoyed by visitors, such as fire rooms, umbrellas for shelter on the beach, to other facility for visitors to vacation it Banyuwangi Big Resort. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marla Tansi. Okay, for a long time, Turkey's reputation as a country with halal tourists has been unquestionable. In fact, this country created a service standard specifically for Muslims. This standard is called the Turkish Standard Institution. Every hotel that want to get halal certification must comply with a number of rules and standards set. Among other things, there are no bar that profit alcohol, there are prayer warus, Mosque, halal restaurant, sales of halal cosmetic product, and so on. There are already more than so halal hotel in Turkey. Istanbul, Aydil, Izmir, and Ankara are the most favorite city for Muslim tourists. Okay, thank you. This is from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Johiruddin Hasibuan. Indonesia is the largest Muslim country. Is legal to become a leader in the world. It's not halal tourism industry. However, the perception of the Indonesia people about halal tourism is still not completely much consider that halal tourism is something that is exclusive and only intended for Muslim. Thank you, terima kasih. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I Rizky Ramayani. I want to explain about a country that implements halal tourism, namely Thailand. Because Thailand has many places with various Muslim-friendly facilities. For example, the country has a larger number of mosques and shopping counters that provide prayer room for Muslims. There are many halal restaurants listed in the Muslim-friendly application, and based that various facilities and provide such as a hotel that provides a choice of halal food, and a prayer room that separates men and women. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafiz from Sharia Economic Law Class D. One of the countries that implement halal tourism is in Indonesia. Masjid Jami is a religious tourist site as well as a cultural heritage that is pride of the people of Kampar Regency, Riau. The historic mosque, which was built with nails, is located in Jalan Pasar Usang RT Res Village, Kampar District. From Pekanbaru, the capital of Riau Province, is about 50 km or an hour and half drive. Jami Mosque is always crowded, especially during Ramadan and before Ramadan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.